AP students, you've been doing an awesome job the entire year. The end is almost here. In 1 week, we will have our AP exam. And I'm going to go over some steps and some things for us to do to get prepared. This video is for Thursday the 14th, and let's take a look at what should have been done recently and what's coming up in the future. So, for starters, your Unit 5 DBQ should be turned in. I got those back to everyone who has them done. Then we worked on Unit 6, our notes and our DBQ, and that is, of course, due on tonight, Thursday night by 11:59. And if you're like, maybe a little behind, not quite, don't have Unit 6 done, you can find the Unit 6 notes right here with the DBQ, right there. Take the notes, the DBQ, the documents are there. You may write them, turn them in on turnitin.com. And yeah, that's what you need to get done for Unit 6, and that is your last assigned DBQ of the year. Pretty awesome. All right, so no more DBQs are assigned, but let's go take a look at what we can do to get ourselves ready for this exam. All right, the next video I'm going to make for you is on Wednesday, and that's going to be just kind of our final details. We're going to have a lot of Zoom conferences before then. So let's go and let's look at the website and see what we have for our Zoom conferences coming up, and they're all linked on here now. Actually got them linked ahead of time since I made a mistake on the Unit 6 Zoom conference. I apologize about that again. So let's take a look here. On Friday, we are going to have a 1-hour Zoom with a DBQ practice test. That means I'm going to give that DBQ, I'm going to post it on this website. I'm going to put it there, and basically you're going to have an hour to get it done and turn it into turnitin.com. Monday, I will let you review it, and I will let you grade it yourself. So I'll have you actually read and grade your own DBQ in real time. Maybe we'll even do some kind of exchange. We'll see how many people show up for the Zoom conference. But I'll have the rubric ready. We've used it many times, and you can grade each other's or your own and turn that grade in as well. All right. So let's get to, so that'll be Friday, 2:30, and Monday at 2:30. And I've changed all these times to 2:30. So you know 2:30 is your AP time. Talk to your families about that this week. 2:30 AP time, got to get this stuff done. That's when these conferences are going on. And then on Tuesday, we will have a technology check. Ms. Bird and myself are going to have you go through the demo of how to take the test. So we're literally going to go through the demo with you. If you've already done it, that's okay. We're also going to answer any questions you have, talk about updating your browser, taking off Grammarly, all the little things like that that you need to do to be prepared. So that's vital that you come at 2:30 on Tuesday. Wednesday, I'm going to make a Kahoot game. I'm going to put up online, and you can play that, and you can do it. And that is basically going to be your just a game that we do right before the test. The last thing I put on here is I had you guys put down, write a content chapter summary for every document. I'm going to make that optional. If you can do it, I would write it, and then I would save it and have it somewhere for exam day. But I'm going to have it be optional. Now, if you want to send it to me, you can do it, but I'm not actually going to require that. So that is not something you have to do. That is something that you may do. Okay? So that is basically our calendar for everything we have coming up. Your exam is at 1 p.m. If there's any changes to that, we'll let you know. And be on the computer and be ready. It says be half an hour early. When people tell me something big, be half an hour early, I'm an hour early. I would say be there at least an hour, maybe 45 minutes early with everything you need. Open up the documents you have. And now we're going to go through that on Wednesday, everything that you should have open. Let me go for one here real quick. Your content and your map. So your content and map. That is this one right here that you guys have made. At this point, what I'm going to need you guys to do, and I'll go over this on the next video I make for next Wednesday as well, you're going to need to go and file, make a copy, and have your own copy of this. You cannot use a shared doc on the test. So make your own copy, because I'm going to pull this thing down next week on Wednesday, and you will no longer have access to it. So make your own copy of this. You guys have done a really good job on it. Make sure you have your copy, and I would use this and have this available for you on exam day. All right, I wish you guys the best of luck. You've just been an outstanding class. I'm going to have a little motivational thing for you on Wednesday. I'm proud of you. You guys have worked so hard. You deserve success. And can I just say something real quick about the DBQs? The ones I've been getting and grading, you have been killing them. You guys are as prepared as anyone out there. No one is more ready than you. You guys can own this, all right? I know you guys are going to do a really good job. You're going to have great passing rates. And even if the worst thing happens, you don't do as well as you want in the exam, my God, you guys have learned a ton this year and are so impressive. And you guys are really, especially all of you who've just been keeping up during distance learning and everything, you guys are ready for college. So keep working all the way to the end. Come to our Zoom meetings, and we're going to be prepared. We're going to kick this exam's ass. I know we are. So proud of you guys. Keep it up. I'll have the next video up for you on Wednesday, and I'm going to see you a lot in the Zoom conferences coming up. All right, if I need to post anything else on the website, I will as needed. Keep up. Take a look at the website. See you in Zooms. Bye, guys.